These days, you can write a document of some sort on a computer of any kind, but imagine that you were in the 1960s or even in the 70s era. The computers then were large and confined not for home use but for industrial use and costly to own and operate. And computers ain't even heard of, and even if they did exist, they would also be costly to buy one of them. So, another thing that they can do to write is to have a pen or pencil along with a piece of paper, and with the use of your hands using that pen or pencil, you can write something. But if you don't want to write with your hands, then invest into a typewriter, a device that can write at your fingertips. In order for a typewriter to work, you would also need a piece of paper which you going to be writing on, and also an ink ribbon which the typewriter needs for it to work, and also in some cases a power source for that typewriter to work. A typewriter is a type of device that you can type letters and numbers onto paper. In order for a typewriter to work, along with following the instruction manual that is for the make and model of that typewriter that you have in your possession, all you need it to load paper into it and type a few letters from its keyboard. That's it. That's how how typewriters work. But there is a drawback to this, and that is that when you type a letter or another character onto a piece of paper, and it does, then what you typed on that piece of paper will be permanent. But also having to think very hard about what words you are going to be putting into the paragraph that you typing, and to make sure that the words in question is spelled correctly, due to a typewriter having no autocorrect features on it. And also, after all of that typing that you do with that typewriter, the ink ribbon that is used to put letters and characters onto paper would have to be replaced when it runs out. Other than the last few things that I mentioned, that I see a typewriter is better than a computer. I wish to say thank you for listening. If you've gone this far, and subscribe to get updates for other contents I've uploaded. And for now, goodbye.